So I was gonna record, but I had to take this out. This is my gold grill. I don't know where it's gonna focus, but 24 karat gold, pretty much. You melt this down, it is gold. This goes in my teeth. I actually wear this outside. People make fun of me. People call me a wigger, but at the end of the day, my gold outperformed the S&P 500 last year, my grill. So fuck you, or last month. But I want to talk about something. I have these charts. I'm going to get back to those charts when I need to show you them. If not, nothing else on the stock screen. We're going to get back to it. But this is the best time in the world to learn how to trade stocks. And I'm not saying that just because we started releasing the pledge class. Who gives a shit? There's only going to be like 15 of you who could join anyways. It doesn't matter. Go watch the YouTube videos. Go learn on your own. Go sign up for any other mentor. It doesn't matter. Get involved in the stock market. Obviously, if you learn a shitty way, that's not good. But the fact is, this is the best time to start learning how to trade stocks. So I was on the stream, somebody asked this, somebody was saying, you know, why, and is this a good time to learn? And I got so hyped by it because all I could say is yes. The opportunity of where prices are, one, there's an opportunity to be able to get in something where there's going to be a big downturn or a big upturn, and prices are very, very attractive at either level, either side. You know, I'm pacing right now. I'm so hyped on this. That is one of the best things. The next thing is technology. What technology and the influx of the internet and people coming into trading and what it's been bringing along with it, the volatility, the volume, everything. There's no other time in history where you guys could learn to trade and get involved in trading like right now. And next, and the last thing is that this is historical. You know, this is a time in the stock market. If you're able to document it now, we're in an age where we have so much documentation, you could get involved with it. Starting now is going to help you 5, 10 years from now and understand what markets were like. And like I'm saying, this is a historical move. We're in a market that's once in a lifetime. So you getting to learn at this process and learn in this markets will help you out a lot. And even then, somebody brought this up in the stream. They said, learning in this market, if you get to learn it even in this sort of difficulty too, it's going to help you and you're going to get exposed to this, and it's just overall great. So yeah, now's the best time to learn. That's not what this whole entire video is going to be about. The next thing I want to talk about, I just wanted to open with that. That's my title. I think you guys, you know, don't hesitate in any, just get started in any way. The number one way with option, just make a paper trading account. Go watch the YouTube videos, go watch some of those past streams I've just done. I've left them up there for you. You could see in 3-4 hours, I'm going over, I'm saying, study this. This is how you study. This is how you practice. It's all there. It's super easy. You guys just have to put in the commitment, and it's worth it. And knowing how you could use options, knowing how you could use equities, stocks, and setting yourself up in the long term can take you a really, really long way. But you guys just have to do it and put in that time. So there's that. Now what I want to talk about is this is the best time to trade stocks because we're living in a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. There's so much going on. So we closed out the week. I'll have some good videos for you guys this week, but we closed on a weird note. I grabbed some puts into the close, and I got some call. I went both ways, but I'm more on the put side just because what happens at the G20 seems like the market's reacting to it. Well, that's all they're waiting on. And why? Because oil started dropping today, the currency started moving, the British pound especially, and those are what I want to talk about. But that stuff started happening, and the market still kept going up. And I think it's because people are expecting positive G20 stuff. And we're going to see. Again, like I'm thinking nothing's going to come out of it, and the reaction is going to be very, very interesting from the market, I think, in my opinion. Why is it like that? But, sorry, I was looking at my grill. I think that's what to look for, but the thing I saw today, someone pointed this out in the chat too, crude is dropping, clipped below 50 today, which is very, very important. The market didn't really react, and the British pound was also giving way. But the Chinese yuan, it had some pops, and it's interesting watching the interaction between that and the dollar, but I think there's something going on here on this end. That's what I'm going to be looking out for. And that's something I think where if crude breaks or something with the pound, there's something brewing there. There's going to be two different things that are going to happen. One, that those situations will develop and we're going to see. But the thing is, G20 is going to happen, and whatever the reaction is going to be, it's either going to pick up crude in the pound and ease the tensions on crude and Brexit, or it'll be a positive reaction and all of this stuff will continue to get negative and the market will catch up, or positive reaction, no market move, and then the market continues to follow oil and all this stuff. So many stuff, and there's all around volatility, and that's kind of what the markets felt like. That's what the premiums on the contracts felt like. It's overall kind of scary, kind of nervous, but I'm excited for what this next week has for us. All we're going to be watching this week, same thing as last week, but the big one, G20, what goes down, what happens, and then other news to watch out over the weekend. Anything with oil, Saudi Arabia, Khashoggi, some Russia, Ukraine stuff in the mix, and then Brexit, Euro stuff. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I don't know if I'm going to have another video tonight. If I do, you will see it, so make sure you have post notifications. If not, have a wonderful, safe weekend. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay in school.